because tomorrow we're going on a road trip. I don't know what I'll pack. So last night I made a mistake and I cut my bangs. Why did I do that? I cut them shorter. They're all messed up now. Now I really have bangs. It's okay. We shall see. I'm gonna take this these braids out and hopefully I have some waves where I don't have to do my hair. That is the goal. Who likes to do their hair? Not me. Not I. Oh no, this is not what I wanted. This is not what we were looking for, guys. These are not the waves we were looking for. It looks like I'm back in 2004. You know how I used to do the hair like this and then... Well, I never did it. My sisters did. They're gonna hate me for that. If I go like this, I'm back in 2004. Hey. What happened? My face is dry, so put some marula oil. I did a mask yesterday, so my face is so dry. Oh, wash the pads, but the makeup didn't come off completely. Maybe I'll use something stronger. I don't know what though. Wow, I really thought my hair was gonna actually like look decent. Maybe if I brush it out. Nope. It's like curly. I messed up this hair, but it's okay. We got creme brulee. Creme brulee. Well, it's almost done, but I read your comments on the video I posted called Light. And I'm glad, but I'm not glad because it sucks to be in like a funk. But I feel like everyone's always in a funk at some point of their life or week, you know? Something we can get through together. But I am glad that I'm not the only one. Which we all should know, but again, it's an on and off thing. It's not like terrible. I can't. But it can feel like the end of the world. But then the next day you're like, what the hell's wrong with me? I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but thank you. I do still have to pack. You guys will see where I'll go. I'll vlog it, maybe. I have so many videos that I haven't edited that are like more adventures, and I'm sure you guys would want to watch, but they're so old, and I don't want to look back in time. But at least I have some memories. Maybe one day I'll share. But yeah, definitely more exciting than being home. I just feel more comfortable talking to you guys at home, not when I'm outside. I looked at like 1,000 ways to make creme brulees. I don't know why I'm not planning on making a creme brulee, but it reminds me of flan. It doesn't taste like flan, but I just thought it would be similar, and it is pretty similar to flan, but it's not flan. It's just creme brulee, but it's very similar, made very similar. I don't know why I wasted my time watching so many videos on how to make creme brulee. Maybe one day I'll make creme brulee. Maybe that's why there's so many little things that we all know because we research so many little things, but we actually never do it. But we know, or at least we have valuable information when it pertains to certain things because we just do so much research on shit that we don't really need to be researching. But it's fun. And maybe one day I will do the creme brulee. In fact, I'll do a creme brulee tomorrow. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing creme brulee. Alright, I'm gonna get back to work. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. In my pajamas, because that's how I'm feeling.
They once have been naturally associated with the proletariat, ordinary working people.
Lunchtime.
Classes are entirely conservative.
You're not getting any further. There's some brown rice in here too. So I was thinking, I need a pack for my trip, right? We're going. We are going. But it's raining out and it should be sunny and in the 90s where I'm going, but it doesn't feel like it. Because it's raining here and it never rains. So I need to like think about summer right now or like hot weather. And I can't get there. So I don't know what to bring. I know I have to bring a bathing suit. I think I'm gonna bring the favorite bathing suit of the summer, which was the Windsor, the black one piece, but it's actually a two piece, but it's just attached by a string. It was considered a one piece. That was my favorite bathing suit of the summer. It was comfortable. Black goes with everything. But as for outfits, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna try and get dressed. I don't want, like, I never really plan out outfits anyways. But I should. I can't bring just a whole bunch of clothes. Maybe I'll just show you guys when I get there. I have a feeling I'm not gonna end up... Yeah, I have a feeling I'm not really gonna end up packing today. I leave in the morning. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen, packing. And if I do, I'll show you guys. But if I don't, that means I just know. That means, yeah, that I probably ended up shoving anything in my bag. Yeah, I'm not bringing luggage, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'll just bring a bag. But, yeah. This is what being in your 20s is like. I think so much throughout the day. Like, my mind is constantly racing and processing all different things and different beliefs and different ways of living. Who is one to say what your perfect life should look like? Who is? No one. But just being in your 20s. Interesting time where you try and figure out what it is that you're here on this planet Earth to do, and not really to do, just questioning humanity overall, because we're all here for a reason, yes, but our jobs don't define us, you know. But just questioning too much, and I'm not gonna get into it. Got my Pellegrino. Did you guys watch any of the shows I recommended? I hope you did, because they're really good. They're really good shows. By the way, I tried to film that video. I tried to combine those clips together, the two videos, but I couldn't because of my storage. And I didn't want to not post that day, so I posted it while I fixed whatever was going on with the other clips. I've been getting into 2002 movies, like that era. Early 2000 brings back so many memories. And you guys, I'm glad that you guys can relate. I really am. I don't want this to be like a perfect kind of channel where it's always just full of productivity and like perfect lifestyle, because that's not realistic. Although I do like watching those kinds of videos. As you guys know, I've been watching videos for a very long time. But I'm not really into that. Like right now for content creating, so this is just, I hope it doesn't bore you. But yeah, perfect family channels and perfect whatever, and productivity talk, and just I'm just not into that right now. Hopefully, they've been around for so long. My last video, the Sunday reset, that wasn't a reset day, but it felt like it because it was a Sunday. And I did reset a little bit, like me putting on makeup. That was a reset for me to get the week started. And actually making coffee and trying to stay away from coffee, actually. And doing more matcha. That's why I titled it Sunday Reset, but that's not like what all the other reset videos are like. They're full of productivity, facials, and blah blah. And I was just not. I did end up doing a facial though that night with my. I just threw on my AH, my ordinary, what is it called? Vampire mask. So I guess I should have filmed that. That would have been so on brand for that video. But anyways, just wanted to let you guys know that. So hopefully you don't unsubscribe. Before you unsubscribe, stay tuned because things are changing. Okay, bye guys.